Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Laurie.
And if this is your first time dropping into the channel, welcome. So, what do we have here? We have a Anova Sous-Vide Kit. The purpose of this video is to let you know that we're going to incorporate some sous vide precision style cooking content into our channel. Early on, one of our viewers commented we should try sous vide, and I didn't even know how to say it. I said sous vide, so I knew nothing about it. And our neighbor Torin, who's also a subscriber, was down, and we were getting into a conversation, and he has 3 sous vide kits, and so he kind of sold us on giving sous vide a shot. And so really, again, the purpose of this is just to let you know you should expect some sous vide content from time to time, and hopefully we'll keep it interesting. So we're going to start by unboxing this Anova Sous-Vide Kit. Laurie, you got it where? At Costco?
At Costco.
And
it's on special right now.
Oh, what was the cost?
I think it was $179.
$179. So we're going to show you what's in the kit. We're going to start there. Let me move that out of the way. We're going to slide this over to here. Okay, we got some paperwork, directions. Done a little bit of reading, and I think this metal rack is going to be important. I don't really like doing unboxings, but this is very well packed. And this, I think, is, I'm not sure what they call this.
Just the vessel.
It's the vessel, all right. So let's see what we can get.
I think we could get a lot of steaks in there.
I think we probably, let's get these steaks out of the way. All right, so we got a top. Oh, okay, now I see. So I think this unit here,
the water circulator.
The water circulator, and I imagine temperature control, timer. Okay.
Oh, I know what this is for.
What is that for?
Well, you can put this here, and then when you have your steaks that have been vacuum sealed, you can attach them with hooks or clips so that they don't float around.
Okay, yeah, and I was looking at that here, and okay, so there are
a place.
Yeah, so I don't know if you can see here, but there's little nubs,
Mm-hmm.
and then in the well or bath or whatever, we'll figure out what this is called. There's little notches, and so that will I take it, that'll set in there.
Prevent evaporation.
This will go on top.
Maintain water temperature.
Yeah, and I guess this somehow sits in there in some fashion. So, Anova Sous-Vide Kit, $179 at Costco. I'm sure you can get them Amazon and many other places. All right, so...
also remember it has an app.
Oh, this also has an app. I've loaded it on my Android. I would imagine it also works with iPhone, although I do not know that, but I expect it would. So, and we're going to give this a workout here in a little bit, which will be in a separate video. But Laurie, why don't you go and talk a little bit about what else you purchased?
Okay. Well, I bought this Nesco vacuum sealer. It was recommended by America's Test Kitchen because it has the greatest, I mean, it was very easy to use. Directions are simple, and it comes with a place where you can store your bags, which makes it really nice. And this is the unit. This is a storage compartment for your bags.
Can we lift that up a little bit into the camera? So there's a storage compartment for your bags.
The first step is to, these bags have no bottom, so you just can seal the bottom, and you can pull off as much length as you want depending on what you're going to be vacuum sealing. So it was very simple and easy, and I vacuum sealed these steaks. I seasoned them and then sealed them.
Okay. And I'm sure that we'll probably do a video down the road where Laurie's sealing something. I guess you could do ribs, leg of lambs, fish, all kinds of stuff. And then that kind of brings us to this book here, Sous Vide, The Art of Precision Cooking. Again, our neighbor Torin and a subscriber has loaned us this book. It's filled with a lot of recipes. So we'll be definitely working out of this book a bit. And then we will also try the app, which also has some recipes. And there's someone that you always used a lot, KJ Lopez.
Oh, Kenji Lopez.
Yeah, he's got a bunch of recipes on there as well. So, maybe many of you already know sous vide and are doing that style of cooking. We're latecomers to the process, but we're really looking forward to doing it. So hopefully, if you enjoy that type of content, hopefully we're going to put something out there that's informational and maybe a little bit of fun, because we kind of like to have a little bit of fun when we do this. So
I just wanted to say that only Torin lent us the book. I think you said Torin and somebody else lent us the book. It was just...
Oh no, Torin lent us the book, but he's our neighbor, and he is both our neighbor and a subscriber. Okay, now I see. Oh wow, I'm not the best with English, let alone any other language. Okay, so I think that's about it. Again, Anova. I imagine these come in different sizes. We're starting here with this size, and
I think we could just say
no, we can't. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. And what do we always say, Laurie?
Like, share, and subscribe. I always forget the marketing part.
Okay. Other than that, now.
See you next time.
See you next time. Okay, good.
That was good.
Yeah. All right, let's cut.